Hey everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to find SKU on DSers. Before we get started, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever been frustrated trying to find the right SKU for a product on DSers? I know I have. It can be really confusing, especially if you're new to the platform. But don't worry, I'm here to help. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find SKU on DSers in just a few simple steps. What is SKU? Before we dive into the steps, let's take a quick look at what SKU is. SKU stands for Stock Keeping Unit. It's a unique number that is assigned to each product in a company's inventory. SKUs are used to track inventory levels, process orders, and manage pricing. Why is SKU important? SKUs are important for a number of reasons. They help you to track inventory levels. This is important so that you can avoid stockouts and ensure that you have enough product on hand to meet demand. They help you to process orders more efficiently. When you have the SKU for a product, you can quickly find it in your inventory and ship it out to the customer. They help you to manage pricing. By tracking SKUs, you can easily see how much you're selling each product for and make sure that your prices are competitive. How to find SKU on DSers. Now that we know what SKU is and why it's important, let's get into the steps on how to find it on DSers. Step 1. Log in to your DSers account. If you don't have a DSers account, you can create one for free. Step 2. Go to the Products tab. This is where you will find all of your products. Step 3. Click on the product that you want to find the SKU for. This will take you to the product page. Step 4. Look for the SKU number. The SKU number is typically located in the top right corner of the product page. Step 5. Copy the SKU number. You can now use the SKU number to track inventory levels, process orders, and manage pricing. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for finding SKU on DSers. You can also find the SKU number by searching for it in the search bar. If you're using the DSers app, you can find the SKU number by tapping on the Product Details button. If you're having trouble finding the SKU number, you can contact DSers support for help. Finding SKU on DSers is easy once you know how. By following the steps in this video, you can quickly find the SKU for any product in your inventory. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tricks on how to use DSers. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, happy selling.